To commemorate the founding of New Orleans in 1718, WYES presents this Tricentennial moment in celebration of our city's past and present.
An important distinction in local cooking is Creole versus Cajun.
Cajun food is your country food, and this is the food from the Kissin' Cousins way out in southwest Louisiana. The food is spicier generally, and it's also one-pot meals as opposed to being beautifully finished things with sauces. In Cajun country, the food is all about the pig and the chicken, and the seafood is a special event. Creole food is the food of the city of New Orleans. It is our indigenous cuisine. It is really the first indigenous American cuisine that came from the blending of the Spanish, the French, and the Africans.
WYES's New Orleans Tricentennial Moments are brought to you by the Miro Foundation and presented in association with the historic New Orleans Collection.